We'll guide you through how to delete a page in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Inkscape doesn't have a traditional multi-page document structure like some other software, but you can manage different pages by using layers or separate files for each page. If you're looking to delete what you consider a page, you might actually be looking to delete a specific layer or the contents on your canvas. To do this, you need to access the Layers panel. Click on Layer in the top menu, and then choose Layers from the dropdown to open the Layers dialog. Here you will see a list of all the layers in your document. If you've been using layers as pages, you can simply select the layer you want to delete and then click the trash can icon at the bottom of the Layers dialog to remove it. This will delete all the contents on that layer, effectively removing that page. If you accidentally delete the wrong layer, you can quickly undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. If you have multiple objects or designs on a single canvas and want to delete a specific area, use the selection tool to highlight the objects you want to remove and press the delete key on your keyboard. Remember, in Inkscape, managing your work with layers is a great way to keep things organized, especially if you have multiple designs in one file. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.